And hey, Brian here with Stop Being Sold. Today's video, I'm going to cover a very common question Michelle and I get asked all the time, and is, are my Social Security benefits taxable? Well, the answer is it depends on your tax filing situation. And in today's video, I'm going to cover the 2024 updates and give you the up-to-date information that will help you in filing your taxes and make sure you understand if your benefits are taxable or not. So let's get started. First of all, uh, below this video, I'm going to drop in the publication 915, which is the document that we're going to cover. It's an IRS document called Social Security and Equivalent Retirement, Railroad Retirement Benefits for use in preparing your 2023 tax return. Make sure when you hit that like button and subscribe button below, right below it, you'll grab this document so you could follow along with this video. So let's get started. First of all, on the front page, you're going to see a section over here, the contents, and I highlighted the section we're going to cover first are any of your benefits taxable. It's going to be on page 3. So let's scroll down to page 3. And it talks about, on the left-hand side, it talks about are any of your benefits taxable. Up to 1/2 of your benefits could be taxable based on your income, from 50% up to 85% of your actual benefits. And that all is going to be based on the highlighted section called your base amount. Okay. And your base amount, if you're single, is $25,000. And so if you will owe no taxes on your Social Security income if it's less than that $25,000. But if your income falls between 25,000 and 34,000 for last year, you'll owe taxes on up to 50% of your benefits. And if your income goes over $34,000 as a single, you'll owe taxes on up to 85% of your benefits. Now, if you're married filing joint, if your combined income is 32,000 or less, zero taxes. 32,000 up to $44,000, up to 50% of your benefits may be taxable, and anything over that 44,000 up to 85% of your benefits that you receive from Social Security could be taxable. So let's scroll down. The next page, what they want to do is, to get an example of this, is we want you to fill out worksheet A. This will help you figure it out. And here's the quick, easy way to do it. You're basically going to take your form SSA 1099 that showed exactly what you got from Social Security benefits last year. If it's you by yourself or your spouse, you'll stick all that information combined right here on section A. Then you multiply that line A by 50%. So let's say it's 30,000. You drop it down. Half of that is 15,000 on line B. Now you're going to include on line C any income that is taxable, such as pensions, your wages, if you worked, any interest, any dividends or capital gains. That'll be on line C. And then line D is any tax exempt interest income, such as interest on your municipal bonds. Oh, many of you thought your municipal bonds were always tax-free. Well, they could be taxed and affect your Social Security's income being taxed. So line E is you're going to add up all these numbers here. And then you're going to compare it to your base amount that we found back here. So if you're underneath the 25,000 as single or 32,000 married filing joint, zero in taxes. Then we go back to what we said before. If you're above the 25,000 as single, up to 34,000, up to 50% of your benefits could be taxed, and above that, up to 85% of your benefits could be taxed. And if you're married and you filled this A form out as married filing joint, under 32,000, $0 in taxes. Between 32,000 and 44,000, up to 50% of your benefits, and anything over 44,000 is subject to up to 85% of taxation on them benefits. So let's go and look at an actual example here, completely filled out. This couple here had a combined income of $2,200 of Social Security benefits for the year, $1,500 for one, $700 for the other, and they received a taxable pension of $30,100 and interest income of $700 for a total of $30,800. You add up all these numbers, it only comes up to $31,900 from B through the B, C, and D. $31,900. Their base amount was $32,000, so 0% of their Social Security benefits is now taxable. It's that easy, folks. Make sure that you grab the document down below in the comment section. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and the like. And I hope this helps you guys in figuring out your taxes for 2024 on your Social Security benefits. Have a great day.